Hi students. When we compared objects, we found the idea of same as. That is, if there is no difference between the objects, we can say that they are same to same. Okay. Now, look at these two flower pots. They are same in size, they are same in shape, and they are same in color. Okay, so keeping this idea in your mind, we can compare our numbers. Now I am going to fill these flower pots with some flowers. Can you help me to count how many flowers are there in each flower pot? Okay, start. Here in this flower pot, 1, 2, 3 flowers. 3 flowers. Then here how many flowers? 1, 2 and 3 flowers. So what we can say? In these two flower pots, there are equal number of flowers. There are equal number of flowers are there in each flower pot. Today, Ramu gave me some ice creams. Can you help me to count this? Okay, we can count how many ice creams he gave me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ice creams Ramu gave to me. And he also has some ice creams. Shall we count? Yes. Count, Ramu. 1, then 2, then 3, 4. He also has 4 ice creams. He is my best friend, so he shared equally. What we can say? Ramu shared ice creams equally. I got 4 ice creams. Ramu also has 4 ice creams. So we got the idea again, equal. There is also one symbol. All of you know which is that symbol? Yes, equal symbol. So here we can use the equal symbol. 3 equals to 3. Here also 4 and 4. Here also we can use the equal symbol. And how we can read this? 4 equal to 4. Okay, so we got 3 symbols to compare numbers. So which are they? Less than, then greater than and equal symbol. Now I will show one by one all these symbols you have to identify. Okay, so can you identify this symbol? I will give 3 clues. First, it matches with the letter L. Then second, its pointed side comes on the left side. That is, it points to or it points towards left. Its open side comes on the. Can you identify? One more clue. It matches or it easily we can fix in our left hand. This is our left hand. It easily fix in our left hand. Okay, very good. Which is the symbol? Less than symbol. Okay, less than symbol is this one. Less than symbol. Okay, now next symbol. Now you can identify. Which symbol is this? Yes, this is greater than symbol. It easily fix on our right hand. Okay, also it points towards right side. Points towards right side. It open side comes at the left side. So which symbol is this one? Okay, greater than. Greater than symbol. Greater than symbol. And this is our greater than symbol. And the last symbol, next symbol we studied today, and which is that, yes, this one, equal symbol, equal to represent equal to, we will use this. You have to say which symbol we want to use. Okay, look at, in this group, how many balls are there? 1, 2. In this group, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? So, here 2 is compared with 3. So, tell me which symbol we want to use here. Is this one? No. Because open side is here. So, here wants to come the bigger number, but it's wrong. So which symbol you can use? They are not equal. Can you use this symbol? No. So which is the correct symbol we need to use? That is less than symbol. Correct. This less than symbol we can use here. Why? The smaller number comes to the closed side and open side. In the open side, bigger number comes. So which is the suitable sign we need to use here? That is less than. How you can read this? 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3. Clear? Okay. We can do second one. Here how many birds are there? Okay, I forgot. So we can insert less than symbol. So tell me, how many birds are here? 1. And in this group, how many birds are there? Okay, 3. So which symbol you want to use here? You have the idea now. Why? The smaller number comes first and bigger number comes second. So which symbol you need to use? Yes, correct. Less than symbol. It suits here, isn't it? The closed side is here and near the closed side smaller number, and open side is this one, and here comes the bigger number. So how you can read this? 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3. Okay? Okay. Now tell me group of ice creams. So here how many ice creams are there? Here how many ice creams are there? Yes, 2. And here how many ice creams? Yes, 2. Now all of you got the answer. Both group has equal number of ice creams. So which symbol you need to use here? Yes, equal symbol. How you can read this? 2 equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. Okay, so equal symbol comes here. Now we can move to next problem. Here in this group, how many stars are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars are here. And how many stars are there in this group? 1, 2. Correct. 2. Now tell me which symbol you need to use. Look at. Is this one? No, never. Then, is less than symbol? No. Why? This is the closed side and here wants to come the smaller number. But here it is the bigger number. Here comes the smaller number. So this is not suitable for. Okay, so which symbol is correct? Yes, greater than symbol or greater than symbol we need to use here. Look, it's clear. Now it's okay. So we can use greater than symbol here. Correct. Open side is this one and here comes the bigger number. Pointed side or smaller side. Here comes the smaller number. So how you can read this? 4 greater than 2. Again. 4 greater than 2. Correct. Now tell me, how many candles are there in this group? Count. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles are here, and in this group only 1. Now tell me, which symbol you need to use here? Bigger number is first. Second number is smaller than this one. So which symbol you need to use? Yes, greater than symbol you need to use here. Isn't it? So how you can read this? 3 greater than 1. 3 greater than 1. In the open side, the bigger side is this one, and here comes the bigger number, and smaller side is, or pointed side is this one. So here comes the smaller number. So which symbol you want to use here? Greater than symbol. So how you can read this? 3 greater than 1. Correct. 3 greater than 1. Now I think all of you are clear with the idea less than, greater than, and equal to. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you.